In this video, you'll learn how to connect HubSpot and Slack. This integration allows for seamless communication between both platforms, enhancing your productivity. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack application. Once you arrive, ensure that you are signed into your workspace. If prompted, enter your login credentials. After signing in, you should see the main Slack interface displaying your channels and direct messages. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. At the top, find the channel list and navigate to the channel named All One, or whichever channel you prefer to use. Click on it to open the channel. This step is crucial as it sets the context for the integration. After you have opened the channel, look for the option labeled Admin Tools in the sidebar. Click on this option to access administrative features. If you do not see this option, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access these tools. Following that, click on the option labeled Admin. This will direct you to the administration settings where you can manage integrations and other workspace settings. It is important to have admin access to proceed with the integration. Next, find and click on Workspace Settings within the admin section. This area contains various settings related to your Slack workspace. Ensure you are on this screen before moving forward. Once you're in the workspace settings, look for the integrations option in the menu. Click on it to access the integrations management page. This is where you can add new applications like HubSpot to your Slack workspace. After that, find and click on recommended apps. This section will display various applications that are suggested for your workspace. It is here that you will search for HubSpot. Type HubSpot into the search bar present in the recommended apps section. As you type, suggestions will appear. Wait for the results to populate to ensure you find the correct application. When HubSpot appears in the search results, click on it to select the application. This will take you to the HubSpot integration page where you can proceed to install the application. Finally, click on the button labeled Install to complete the integration process. A confirmation screen may appear indicating that the installation is in progress. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that HubSpot has been successfully connected to your Slack workspace. This connection allows you to receive notifications and updates from HubSpot directly within Slack. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.